Lomo de cerdo en adobo. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 to 8 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 1 hour 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 3 pounds pork loin, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, to taste kosher salt, to taste black pepper, 5 pieces guajillo chilies, 3 pieces ancho chilies, a half piece white onion, 4 pieces garlic cloves, a quarter cup apple cider vinegar, a half cup orange juice. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Pat the pork loin completely dry with paper towels and season generously on all sides with salt and pepper. Step 2. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, lightly toast the guajillo and ancho chilies for 30 to 60 seconds per side until fragrant but not burnt. Step 3. Place the toasted chilies in a bowl of hot water and let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes until they are soft and pliable. Step 4. While chilies soak, heat the vegetable oil in a large Dutch oven or oven-proof heavy pot over medium-high heat. Sear the pork loin on all sides until a deep golden brown crust forms, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Remove the pork and set aside on a plate. Step 5. In the same pot used for the pork, sauté the chopped white onion and garlic for 3 to 4 minutes until softened and slightly caramelized. Step 6. In a high-speed blender, combine the soaked chilies, discard the soaking water, sautéed onion, garlic, vinegar, orange juice, chicken broth, oregano, cumin, and cloves. Step 7. Blend on high until the sauce is completely smooth. For a truly professional, silky texture, pour the sauce through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl, discarding any solids. Step 8. Return the seared pork loin to the Dutch oven. Pour the adobo sauce over the meat, ensuring it is well coated. Step 9. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or heavy-duty aluminum foil. Transfer to the preheated oven. Step 10. Roast for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the pork reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Baste the pork with the sauce halfway through the cooking time. Step 11. Once cooked, remove the pot from the oven. Transfer the pork to a cutting board and tent loosely with foil. Let it rest for 15 minutes to allow juices to redistribute. Step 12. While the pork rests, place the Dutch oven with the remaining sauce over medium heat on the stove. Simmer for 5 to 8 minutes until the sauce thickens to a coating consistency. Step 13. Remove the kitchen twine from the pork and slice it into a half-inch thick rounds. Step 14. Arrange the slices on a warm platter, spoon the thickened adobo sauce generously over the top, and garnish with fresh cilantro and red onion rings. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.